Right, here we are, boys. Tuesday. What's the date? 21st. Just got back from snowboarding, which you'll see in this video. And yeah, we're about to get into market open, so I'm gonna bang out my lines, mark out support, mark out resistance, and get into this beach. Let's do this. 2 minutes, 2 minutes. Alright, there it is, market open. What the fuck just happened to NASDAQ? What the fuck? That was mental. I've never seen anything like that. That was weird. Alright, NASDAQ's wicked up. That was fucking crazy. Some volume in today. See if we get a nice move. That was crazy. If anyone's using buy stops, y'all just got fucked in it. Alright, NASDAQ's pushing down. NASDAQ's basically just dumped. Wow. Well, I missed that. Yep. Missed NASDAQ. It's early, so whether or not it sustains and actually takes place, we'll see. We have actually been losing a lot of first entries, so it could just be a fake out. I'm not too fussed. I'm now looking at US30 alongside it. But yeah, NASDAQ's gone. Wow. All right, yeah, US30 is going.
Order filled.
I'm short in US30. Hopefully this plays out. If it don't, we may just tap into this area, but we can only take our shot, right? And stop loss is on. Bit of
Order filled.
Right, I've lost that entry straight away, for fuck's sake. I will take a reversal on the buy. So US30 is going down. NASDAQ's coming up.
Order filled.
Right, I'm short in US30 last time. If I get fucked, I'll take the L on both trades. First trade, valid. I would say it's valid. Obviously, NASDAQ's coming down. They have a lot of stocks within the same indices, so you would assume that they would go down together, especially with that amount of volume on NASDAQ. I thought US30 was going to follow. So the first entry, valid. It just ended up faking out. Can't avoid it, can't prevent it as long as you handle your risk properly. That's the only way you can control it. Now, usually, this is something I don't usually do, but I went for a second entry in the same direction. Now, usually if it fakes out to one side, it'll usually be way more high probability if it goes to the opposing side, as you will find out. But I did take a second entry. I wish I didn't take this, especially watching it back. I'm like, stupid. I was FOMOing in, simply just because I could see NASDAQ dumping so fucking much. But we moved, we moved. But this is super confusing now because NASDAQ's coming up, whereas US30 is going down. Ah, for fuck's sake, man. Honestly, for fuck's
Order filled.
sake, man. I give up trading.
Order filled. Order filled.
There we go. Now we're pushing. US30 is now pushing, finally. Go on the 1 minute, you can see the shit has flown above. Hopefully it can continue. Right, that's 1 to 2 there. Oh fuck, we're just about to get out as well, bastard. That's more like it, right? Past 1 to 2 now. I'll set my stop loss at 1 to 2. And I'll let trail. Whatever happens here now, we're up for the day. We're up. Alright, about to get stopped
Order
out.
filled.
Right, boom. We're up. Beautiful. Frustrating, but overall profitable day, so. Alright, so there it is, boys. Today, frustrating to be honest with you. Just really slow. NASDAQ moved immediately, which was unfortunate because I didn't get in NASDAQ. Wish I did, because that would have been an easy day. US30, I took an L on the first trade. Then I took a break even. And then I took the final trade, which, yes, I overtraded. Yeah, slow day for US30. NASDAQ, beautiful, though. Beautiful.
Here we are with Big Man. Fucking snowboarding. I mean, all the gear here, fucking right time has come. Right then. Honestly, just give me this. I don't know what to fucking do. Like, how the fuck do I put my foot in now? What the fuck? Go ahead, Ethan, check.
Come on, he's going. He's going. He's going. He's fucking going.
I ain't falling yet. Pick things up quick, but fuck me. Honestly, I was just YouTubing out. I put my fucking feet in here. Fucked.
I knew that was gonna happen. I just knew it.
Oh dear.
Stop the fucking lift. Stop the lifty. How you feeling so far?
Doing alright until fucking got up here. Jesus Christ.
Is heavy that, innit? Bro, I've gone from YouTube to put these to the top of this fucking Mount Everest, bro. Send it.
Get it on there. Here he comes. Ooh. Ah. That's it, boy. Oh. Go on, B, you got it. Here he comes. Yes. Love that. Yes.
There we go, that's 1 hour snowboarding.
Come on.
Whoosh.